lovely viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Upasana and I do post makeup, nail art and skincare related content on my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you this beautiful ombre nail art tutorial. If you want to know how I achieved this beautiful nail art, then please continue watching. I'm taking 3 nail polish from Plum Goodness. Mint, mango and lemon are the shades I have selected. To make the ombre, I will be taking a sponge. Make sure that it is completely dry. Then measure your nails on the sponge so that you get an idea of how much to apply the nail polish so that it covers your whole nail. Start applying the mint shade as the first color on the sponge. Then I'm taking the shade mango and applying it over the mint shade and overlapping the color. Then lastly I'm taking the lemon shade and applying it over the mango shade. Now take the sponge and stamp the color on top of your nails. Dab it 2 to 3 times to get the ombre effect. Following the same steps, we need to apply a second coat as well. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video up. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. I will leave the handle somewhere on the screen. I do post makeup, nail art and skincare related content there as well. When you're applying the second coat of the sponge nail art, make sure that you apply it very gently, like you're barely touching your nails, but still making the ombre effect on your nails. If you press the sponge too much on your nails, then after all it will get ruined and become messier, because it will move the first base coat that you have made using the sponge. To show a different combination, I decided to take the pink, lilac and the grey color from Plum Goodness. Applying the pink color at the first, then the lilac color overlapping the pink color and then applying the grey color at the last. Take the sponge and apply it on your ring finger. Follow the same step as before. Like this, you can try various different combinations of ombre nail art. You can also apply 2 colors or 4 colors or as many colors of ombre that you want to. Now it's time to remove the nail color that is on my cuticles and also on my fingers. For that, I will be taking a nail art brush and color bar nail enamel and dip the nail art brush on it and then start wiping off from the cuticles. You can check out my other nail art videos which are popping right here on the screen. The link will be in the description box or the I button. The last and the mandatory step of this nail art is to apply a top coat. After you apply a top coat, your ombre nail art will look smooth and beautiful. Without the top coat, the ombre nail art looks very coarse, but after applying the top coat, it looks gel-like and professional. Let it dry for 5 minutes and my nail art is complete. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video up. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. I will leave the handle somewhere on the screen. If you have any video recommendations, then please do leave them in the comment box below. I would love to create the video for you all. Till then, take care and bye bye.